What is going on YouTube? This is Dave's Daily Trades coming at you again today with another video on AMC. So just to start off, what a day. I love to see this. I believe we were at just about 20% for the day. I believe it was like 19 and some odd percent. But we'll just call it 20. Of course, after hours right now is also on the move. And currently, of course, Webull is not uploading on my desktop. But we currently are trading at, I believe, $17.10. So that puts us right about at 24% for the day, considering after hours. So, of course, really what happened today is we first had that initial run up in the morning where we had that jump up to 1396 in that sidewards moving trading. So, of course, yesterday, if you guys tuned in for the video, this was the same case scenario where we had that bullish run up in the morning, traded sideways for the rest of the day, and that was it. But today, about halfway through the trading day, we decided to absolutely go bananas, and you'll see it right here where we just shot up. This was yesterday's trade where we shot up, traded sideways, and that was it. Again, we did this today, and then continued this bullish price action literally throughout after hours. So that was great to see. So of course, if you guys have tuned in for previous videos, really the big thing that I'm looking for on charts is consolidation. Because when we have bullish price action, especially 20% days, we really want to make sure we're not falling victim for bull traps, which of course is when the price shoots up, trades, and it dumps down. Pump and dumps or bull traps. So one thing I did find today was we did touch perfectly on my support line here at 1426. So that was great to see. But guys, we had just about, an hour or so of sideways movement. And that's great. I get so excited when I see this, especially when we're trading upwards of $14 for AMC, something we haven't been all too familiar in for the past several months. Of course, we did see this right before the run-up, the consolidation, and then we did see more consolidation into a bullish run to end the day. And then, of course, bullish price action above my next support level at 1710. So that's wonderful to see. And guys, I'm really curious to see what happens tomorrow. But of course, we're going to jump into some price predictions for tomorrow and see what might be happening in some future levels of support and resistance. So guys, as I mentioned, currently our next price target was that 1710, which we're hovering on for after hours right now. And we can see that this was a pretty good level of resistance in the past. And of course, it did act as support a few times. So that's something that I definitely want to keep an eye of. And especially here back in, March of 2019, we did see that act as a very strong level of resistance and really shot us back down to that $9 area. But really one thing I want to take in consideration is, for the most part, guys, that was 2 years ago. So we're really trading in new territory and new waters here. And I say that because this first run up, this was so unbelievably messy, where we only had one or two levels of confirmation. Here, it was literally only one, of course, in recent dates. But really, the next target that I'm looking for is somewhere about $19 and $20. To be perfectly honest, I think that's going to be coming, if not tomorrow, by the end of the week. Especially if we keep up this volume that we've been seeing. Guys, we saw, I believe it was, 206 million shares were traded today. And that's pretty close to half of the entire float of AMC, guys. So the actions there, day traders are coming in, swing traders are coming in, and things are just starting to get interesting. So definitely hold on tight. I know a lot of you new AMC investors seeing a 20% day might want to cash in on some profits. But guys, there is so much upwards potential here. So definitely hold on. And I'm excited for the next couple of days. Anyways, there was one really important article that I saw on the AMC group chat in Reddit. So pretty much what this was saying in summary was a fake squeeze is to come to damage the June 2nd vote count. So, of course, we know that we can vote in the new shareholder meeting starting on June 2nd. That's when the proxies get sent. And then, of course, it takes some time to count all those shares and all that fun stuff. I'm kidding. It probably is not that fun. Anyways, what a lot of people are predicting is they're trying to pump up this price to a level where a lot of those new investors feel very comfortable at taking profits before June 2nd, drop the price down because we did see that Citadel does now have long positions in AMC. I forget the exact count, but I know it was somewhere around 1 to 1.5% of the entire float. So still a good amount of shares. So of course, we'll see this run up. They will fake a sell-off. And the purpose of this is for us retail investors to sell our shares so that our votes actually don't count. And the reason why that this vote is actually so important is because all these proxy votes get sent to everyone that owns a share in AMC. So of course now on June 2nd, when we all vote, it'll come back and show everyone who owns shares. And really what we're after is to really, I guess, expose all of the synthetic shares. Because guys, if there's more proxy votes than come in than the actual total available float, we know something hairy is going on. So obviously, big hedge funds who have created these synthetic shares do not want that information out. So I believe this is really their last attempt in getting people to sell and to stop this synthetic bullshit from continuing any further. Of course, I know there are going to be some paper hands that do decide to sell, but if you guys have been with me since early January and even February, then we've seen highs, we've seen lows. This is nothing. And especially, I know a lot of you guys are doing your research out there and your DDs, and we know what is going to happen with AMC. So going up to $40, going up to $50, and then back down to $10 or $15, that's no big deal, guys. We've seen it before. And personally, me, I'm holding through all of this because I am so excited about what's going to happen. So that's really everything that I want to cover on AMC today, guys. Definitely tune in for my next video. I have some really good information coming out that I've been putting together about the repo market. And then also some more good news. My work finally allowed us to work from home on Fridays throughout the summer. So I definitely plan on coming out with midday updates on AMC this Friday and of course every Friday following. So please leave a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and guys, tune in for the next video.